Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix voice chat is not working on Call of Duty Warzone Mobile. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, press on the headphones icon on the top, then go to party, then not party, yeah, you need to go here, then party, then make sure turn on this option here in voice, and then expand the option and make sure that microphone is not muted, right? So you can see here it's working perfectly fine. As I'm talking, the microphone is moving, right? And for a reason, if you cannot change this option, I will show you later in this video how you can turn on your phone, right? And once here your microphone is not muted, then what you need to do here, you need to go back, press on the gear icon on the top right, then you need to go to audio and then make sure that nothing is muted. For me, master game volume is muted because I'm recording the video, but for you should not be muted. And then make sure that voice chat is enabled, right? And for some reason, if earlier I said that you cannot turn on microphone, if you cannot turn on microphone, what you can do here is to go to your phone settings. So for me, I just need to go here. Then I'm using iPhone, so if you're using Android, it may be different. But for me, I just need to find a Call of Duty Warzone, as you can see here, icon. Warzone icon here. And then make sure that microphone is turned on here. And for iPhone users, that's pretty much it, what you need to do here. So yeah. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.